This is a special time of year. It's a time of year when all around the world, no matter what tradition we're in, we celebrate new light, new life, new opportunities to bring peace and love, not only to ourselves, but to others. We are one people. We are connected. And even though we feel apart, we feel separate, the truth is we're all connected to the one divine source, the one divine light, the one truth. And the truth is that you are loved. So this holiday season, allow yourself to celebrate new light, new life, and become all you can be.